Hi, everyone. My name is Fo Vacanquo, and I'm the business analyst from Team Oyster. Today, I'm presenting with Jenny Daniel, our product manager, and Kevin Levasseur, our developer. Let's start with a video to introduce you to our vision and our mission.
My dream? To be an investment banker. That's the goal.
I want to make a difference in my career and be the best product designer.
But how do I get there? I don't even know if I am doing the right thing.
While I want to be the best product designer, finding the best community and resources has been so hard.
We created Oyster because we remember that feeling, the dream, the doubt, not knowing who to speak to.
Oyster isn't just another platform. We're here to open doors, to connect students, traditional or not, with the opportunities they deserve.
With the right career coach and mentorship, I feel I'm on the right path.
Finding a job is a very overwhelming and daunting process. But I think with Oyster, I will finally be moving forward.
Oyster is not just an internship platform, it is the career starter pack for every student in every country and every city.
Where every student, every dream has a place to start.
As you just heard from the video, getting an internship is a real struggle for students, with over 8.2 million students searching for internships annually. This uncertainty is more than just a feeling, it's a struggle.
Problems such as navigating complex application processes, struggling to connect with mentors, and feeling lost without clear guidance. However, Oyster is here to streamline their journey, connect them with the right people, and provide the professional tools and resources they need to succeed. Kevin would now walk you through how our users would gain value from our platform.
Let me guide you through our website from the perspective of a new student, David, a software engineer. Wow, their landing page looks legit. They've got a resume builder and mentors too. All right, I will create an account. Okay, I'm logged in. This page seems to display a lot of information about my searches, community events, and even mentor information. I want to find an internship though, so I'll do that. I want a software position in Vancouver, check more filters, salary 40K plus. All right, start the search. There are so many internships here. This was so easy. I've always wanted to work for this company. I'll save it and check the details. Oh, wow, you can see everything here. And yeah, you can even go to the application website. That's awesome. All right, let's see what else I can find. I'll save this one and this one. Oh, and this one too. All right, I want to see what I've saved. Wow, I can see all of them and even categorize them so that I can keep track of my progress. That's really cool. And I can see the job result details here as well. It looks like there are community pages, mentors, the resume builder, and other resources available that will definitely help me to land an internship. I feel like I'll finally be able to find something now.
Now that we have seen how our platform functions, let's discuss our market size. Our total addressable market is 8.2 million students, with 4.6 million facing barriers to securing internships. Our serviceable available market is 3.6 million for those who completed internships. But do you know, only 2.5 million reported positive experiences. These 2.5 million, our serviceable obtainable market, represents students who value internships and are ready for a more supportive platform to enhance their career journey. Our revenue model is based on realistic adoption within our core target market. From the 2.5 million students in our serviceable obtainable market, we aim to capture 2% as paying users initially, a cautious goal for our brand building phase. By 2025, we project 50,000 paying users at an average monthly fee of $699, generating approximately $4.90 million annually for premium subscribers. Additionally, we estimate 5% of these users will attend premium events, adding revenue through our events commission model.
Our financials are very strong with a benefit cost ratio of 3.01. Our benefits exceed cost by over 3 times, and our ROI is 200%. We're doubling over our returns on every dollar invested. Mo, Esther, it gets even better. We break even within the first year, so our initial investment is fully recovered, quickly making Oyster a low-risk, high-reward platform from the start. Our core features would provide a personalized and relationship-based platform for students. This places us in a good space with our competitors. This also gives us an underexplored niche to thrive in.
Our go-to-market strategy includes a referral program where students will expand Oyster's reach organically, turning their networks into new users. Student ambassadors will fuel credibility and engagement, and strategic partnerships like the one we have with SkillHat will position Oyster directly within educational ecosystems, ensuring we become the go-to platform for students.
Oyster's roadmap is carefully structured to prioritize a seamless user experience and sustainable growth. In phase 1, we would focus on mobile responsive optimization and rolling out core features like our community platform, mentorship, and resume builder. As we gather feedback, phase 2 allows us to refine these key features while launching our powerful referral program to drive organic growth and engagement. Finally, phase 3 accelerates with data-driven improvements, expanded partnerships, and scaling our ambassador and referral programs to cement Oyster as the go-to platform for career building.
At Oyster, students don't have to test the waters alone. We provide them with the Career Starter Pack, bridging the gap between academic life and the professional world, so that they can step forward with confidence and avoid years of trial and error.
So to our incredible and beautiful audience, we invite you to be a part of the Oyster Effect. Share this journey with those who seek to kickstart their careers or invest with us and help us build a community that empowers the next generation. Explore and experience the platform yourselves by signing up online. Let's make career success accessible from the very start. Thank you for joining us on this mission. The lovely team Oyster says thank you for being part of this journey. And that's it, guys.
All right, let's give them a solid round of applause. Lots of great energy in the chat. That's amazing. Good work, Team Oyster. Fantastic. Let's look at SkillHat acquiring your product.
Did you say Jerome? Yeah.
Jerome first, and then
yeah,
we'll finish with Esther.
Awesome. No, really great job, guys. That was really well done. My question comes back to your subscription model. I liken this to like a Canva or kind of like resume builders that, you know, you sign up for a subscription, you finish what you need to do, and then you just cancel the subscription. Do you guys have any mitigation plans around that? I know there's a $2 flat registration fee, but there could be like a minimum number of months that you need to sign up for so that people don't just get their job and then they just cancel the subscription, right?
Yeah. So what we're trying to build is a community and somewhere that eases the stress for students to actually start their career journey. So first of all, we'll start with a freemium model. You can access some of our basic features, like maybe just applying for certain jobs with limited numbers per day that you can actually access. And it goes down like that with our other platforms, our mentorship. Sometimes you can just get maybe 1 or 2 coaching if you're on the free subscription. Then if you're on the premium, you start to get more mentorship coaching that can guide you with your interviews and stuff like that. Also, you would get like we have a community platform where you can go for events. We have lots of events coming up, and then just something like that. So it's mostly from a point of we want to create a network effect, create that safe haven for students who are seeking to start their careers. And when they start to find value, our resources as well, then they start to subscribe. We believe this is practicable because so many career platforms like LinkedIn, students sign up for LinkedIn. We have checks, we have Handshake, and so many students subscribe as long as you're getting value. In fact, SkillHat motivated some of the reasons we did this because it's providing real value for people like us who had actually gone to the university and come back to like restart our careers. But for these students, they are getting it from the very go.
All right, fantastic. Let's go to Andre, and I'll finish with Esther.
Yeah, no, great presentation. Like just echoing everything that was already said. As a founder myself, like I've benefited quite a lot from platforms such as Ripen, which brings me to my question around the business model piece. how do you compete with platforms like Ripen when they're not charging users any fees? Like it's free to go on and access a lot of internship opportunities. They already have a big runway into the market, and so a lot of students are already aware of Ripen and are using that platform for free. And then the second question would be, do you see AI playing a role on this platform?
Okay, we already have, I'll answer the second question first. We already have an AI CV builder. So for whatever role, even if you're changing, it can help you build that. But also what I've come to believe is that people pay for value. Things might be free, but when people see the value in it and what they're getting, they would always pay. So for example, the starting point, which is the internship, we're not creating any, it's strictly just for interns, people who want to start their career. So first of all, when you go on LinkedIn or other platforms, you're just basically seeing different types of job. Here, it is streamlined. That's the first thing. You can even track your job, like your application. So most of us do it on Excel manually, but on there, you can do it like on the get-go. You don't even need to start, going to another stage. So everything is centralized. The third thing is we have the mentor space where you're having coaching services. We have our community space where you can connect with new people. And also we have events. So that's one way we want to gain revenue, because we'll be partnering with so many educational career resource schools, employers to, bring value to students. And from that way, we're not charging the students, we're getting it from those people. So as the students register for the premium, for example, the premium events, we get like a commission. Then also, the last thing is our resources guideline, our resources. So there's so many things like having an interview, how to pace your interview, for a product designer, for example, how to build your portfolio. One thing I know is that for me personally and for every other person here, once you gain value from something, you would always come back and you would always use it. So I feel like money might not really be a problem. Also, what we've done is we've mitigated that by charging very low. We had to explore premium pricing, psychological pricing, and low penetration pricing. So we're just starting with the very minimum. And we also say it's free, but when you want to explore more services, you get to start paying, for that.
Fantastic. Okay, people pay for value.
Yeah.
Let's go to Esther to finish it off.
Okay. Great idea. My first question is, I know you were saying students, it's a more generalized term. Is there a particular audience that you're targeting, postgraduate, graduate, just fresh out of school, or it's just open?
It's open to both traditional and non-traditional students. That's the beauty of it. So you can, as long as, even if you're here in Skill Hat, for some of you who want to still try some internships, please come on our platform and explore new internships. It's open to everybody, even if you're like maybe advanced in age and you want to just find somewhere to actually restart your career, you can come on here and apply. So it's open to every type of student, as long as you're a student.
Perfect. And then the second one, I was looking through the demo and then your job application. It was a little seamless though, but when I actually apply, sometimes I'll have to go to the website to do it, even though I do it through LinkedIn. How do you handle that?
So what we actually have right now for our core MVP is the API. And what we can do with the API is that we can help you just streamline that process, but we don't have the legal capacity to be able to link you directly, like maybe like you start applying in our platform, like maybe Indeed does. So even with LinkedIn and even like Glassdoor, you still need to go to the employer's platform. We just make it very easy and streamlined for you.
Okay. Okay, perfect. So through your website, take you to that portal and just finish up the process.
Yeah.
Okay, great.